Hello dear students, welcome to GDC. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the drugs that causes G6PD deficiency. So let's understand what is G6PD means. So G6PD that is this is an enzyme. The name of the enzyme is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. This is basically a condition when there is a lack of this enzyme, that is your glucose 6-6PD enzyme. Actually, the role of this enzyme is this basically particular this enzyme basically protect the RBC. Okay, it protect the RBC from damage and premature destruction. So please remember that particular enzyme, that is your glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. This gene has a major role in protecting RBC from premature destruction and damage to the RBC. Okay, and it is a genetic concern when this G6PD deficiency level decreases. So there are many stress factors or many stressors that can damage the RBC. These stress factor that can damage the RBC, which includes certain medication. There are several medication. I will share a mnemonics how to remember this medication name. Next is certain type of infections, food such as fab beans. This condition is called as fabigism. The food and certain chemical also induces glucose 6-PD deficiency. So our main things to remember today's class, we are going to remember this drugs that induces G6-PD deficiency. To remember this, you have to remember one simple mnemonic: sac or ham bites. So mnemonic is sac or ham bites. S for sulfonamides. Very important. This chart is very important from exam point of view. Sulfonamide, A for aspirin, C for chloramphenicol, H for hydrolazine, A for antimalarial. So two major drugs that causes G6PD deficiencies. One is your primaquine, another one is your chloroquine. Next, M stands for your methyl dopa. Okay, so B in sounds like bites. So nitrofurantoin. So nitrofurantoin. This is an antibiotic that is used basically in case of urinary tract infection. Isoniazid, antitubercular drug. Toluidine blue. This is one stain. Other than this, aspirin and paracetamol and sulfonylurease class of drug. Please remember this class by using this simple mnemonics to remember what are the important class of the drugs that basically responsible for inducing G6PD deficiency, and G6PD deficiency and this factor ultimately leads to hemolysis. This drug in case of so that means in case of G6PD deficiency, if you are going to use the drug, that will lead to hemolysis condition. I hope all of you understood what we discussed today. Thank you. Thank you so much.